Hi, welcome to a2znowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about how to scrap the content from Wikipedia, okay, using Python. So at end, I will be giving you some of the use cases like why and when we can use such scrapping packages of Python. So today I'm going to show you some code, and the codes are very less. It's just 2 to 3 lines of code, and for the simple example, it will be just 2 to 3 lines. So Wikipedia package in Python has a lot of functions. So now I'm going to explain you with one function. Okay. So this is the code. So you can import this Wikipedia from your whatever the ID that you are using directly with from the settings of the project interpreter, or you can do it with command prompt with pip command. Now I'm just importing this Wikipedia package and creating a variable result equal to Wikipedia dot summary is a function. You will be seeing a lot of Wikipedia pages, and you will be having some different category of content in that page. So I just want to retrieve the summary of the page. What summary of the page, whatever that I wanted to search. I wanted to get. So India is a keyword as a search term that you are using. For example, I'm going for Google and then I'm just searching for about India. So I'll be getting Wikipedia, right? So Wikipedia page. So if I go for Wikipedia page, I'll be seeing the summary column. From the summary column, there will be like a lot of lines. So many sentences will be there, but I just wanted to retrieve only two sentence. So I'm just giving sentence equal to two. Now I'm just printing that result. So if you see here, we do have a lot of functions like summary, search, and tags. You can even retrieve the tags, keywords that you can even use for making it hashtags or something like that. And also like the summary will help you to bring the basic content, but not the complete content. And search terms also will use what are all the pages related to this search term that you are using. So you can see that the content I'm just getting here, so I've just grabbed it from the Wikipedia page for I'm with the keyword India. I'm searching for it, so it gets the appropriate page and it's just grabbing the summary of the page. Now I will tell you where this will be used, the use case. So most of you are aware of the app called InShots, right? So InShots is a news app. So they used to give news in 60 words, right? So you can even use such means you can use such examples to just scrap only the limited amount of content from the internet, and you can just share it with your users or with your subscribers, or you can send a newsletters. So you can build such apps. So you build an app like people search for something, so everything will be there. Most of the content will be there in Wikipedia, so you can just scrap the limited content from there and then you can give it to them. So I mean, in short, is a very big startup company, but I'm just telling. So you can use uh, such use cases as well with this. So Wikipedia library has so many other functions, as I told you already. So I'll make a lot of videos with that. Just please stay in touch with my playlist, Python playlist. I have given my complete Python video link in the description box, so you can just have a look on it. And thanks for watching a2znowledge.com. Please do subscribe my channel, forward this to your friends and colleagues. We do a lot of tech videos in two languages, English and Tamil. I have given my LinkedIn URL and the Instagram URL in the description box. If you want to connect me, means if you want to follow me, you can follow through that. Thanks for watching.